Okay, so now we're going to do a running stitch, which is a larger stitch length, and you're actually going forward as you stitch. But just like the back stitch, you want to keep your stitch length as much as possible the same length. So on this one, I am doing quite a large stitch length, and you can see that there is space in between. So I just bring my needle up and then back down for my stitch length, and then you're giving it some space as you do the running stitch. So this is actually probably a really quick and easy fast stitch as you're going right along. And the only trick to this one is try to keep your stitch length as much the same length as possible. Okay, we're ending the end of our running stitch, and I'm just going to pull up this last stitch, put it back down, and then I'm going to turn my hoop over and put a knot. So I basically ended and began in the same place for this running stitch, and I am completed. So running stitches are really fun for cute borders and little detail areas that you want to put that fun, loose, long stitch with some air around it. So that is how you do a running stitch.